The Galaxy Z Fold 7 has just received another huge price drop in the United States, and it's one of the biggest discounts Samsung has ever offered for this device. If you missed the massive $720 Black Friday deal, the good news is that the same discount is still active right now. The bad news is that it might end today, as this offer seems tied to the end of Cyber Week. Right now, you can buy the Galaxy Z Fold 7 for as low as $103.99, and you don't even need to trade in your old phone. In fact, on Samsung's website, you actually have to select the option that says you aren't trading anything in before the discount becomes available. This is different from most Samsung offers, which usually rely heavily on trade-in deals. This time, everyone qualifies immediately. Here's how the discount works. When you select the No Trade in option, Samsung instantly takes off $600 from the full retail price of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. That brings the price down significantly right away. On top of that, Samsung is also giving a free storage upgrade that normally costs $120. This means you can get the 512GB model for the same price as the 256GB version. When you add up the $600 instant discount and the $120 storage upgrade bonus, you get the full $720 off. This matches the biggest discount Samsung offered back on Black Friday, and it's extremely rare for Samsung to repeat a deal of this size outside major shopping events. If you're interested in even more storage, Samsung is also offering the 1TB model with a 600 discount. That version normally costs $2,419, but it's now priced at $1,819. However, unlike the other models, Samsung isn't giving a free storage upgrade on the 1TB option. You're still saving a lot, but you don't get the extra $120 bonus. Samsung is also offering bundle savings if you want accessories with your new phone. You can get 30% off the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, 20% off the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and 40% off the new Galaxy Ring. These add-ons can make the overall package more appealing if you want to build a full Samsung ecosystem or upgrade your existing gear. The great thing is that the savings apply no matter how you choose to pay. Whether you pay the full price up front, choose a 24-month Samsung financing plan, or split the cost into 4 smaller payments, the discount remains exactly the same. There are no hidden conditions or extra requirements. It's one of the simplest and most generous offers Samsung USA has listed for the Fold 7. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is Samsung's latest flagship foldable, and for many people, the biggest barrier has always been the high price. A discount of this size makes the phone far more attainable. With its powerful performance, improved hinge design, brighter display, and more refined software experience, the Fold 7 is a significant step forward, especially for users upgrading from older foldables. But the biggest thing to remember is timing. Samsung has not officially announced when this deal will end. Since it was part of Cyber Week promotions, and Cyber Week traditionally ends today, the offer could disappear at any moment. Once it's gone, there's no guarantee the discount will return during the holiday season. This could be the last chance to grab the Fold 7 at such a low price. If you've been waiting for the right moment to switch to a foldable or upgrade your device, this might be that moment. A $720 discount without trade-ins is something Samsung rarely offers, and it's likely the best price the Fold 7 will get for a long time. If you're thinking about buying, make sure to check the Samsung e-shop quickly before the deal expires. This might be the final day to get one of Samsung's most premium devices at its lowest price yet.